Honda certified. Loaded. 2014 Honda Accord Touring with one owner, non-smoker, heated leather, lane watch, backup camera, sunroof moonroof, premium audio, 17 alloy wheels, 4-wheel disc brakes, automatic temperature control, distance pacing cruise control, electronic stability control, front dual zone AC, front fog lights, heated door mirrors, leather steering wheel, memory seat, navigation system, power passenger seat, remote keyless entry, security system, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and traction control. Get the new look for the used price on this one-owner vehicle. Honda certified pre-owned means you not only get the reassurance of a 12,000-12,000 mile limited warranty, but also up to a 7 years per 100k mile powertrain warranty, a 182-point inspection reconditioning. Carfax notice. Accident noted on Carfax report has been thoroughly inspected by our service department and has been confirmed to be repaired back to factory specifications.